For number 9, notice it says write as a linear function. So it's pretty simple. All you do is solve for y and then replace y with f of x. So what you want to do is bring this 2x over here. That becomes a negative on the right side. And then you replace y with f of x. Okay? That's it. Then that becomes a function. For number 10, don't make this harder than it has to be. All you have to do is plot this point and then use the slope to go plot more points from there. So the first thing I'll do is I'll plot 2, 3, go over 2 and up 3 and put your point. And from there I'll use my slope to go down 1 and over 2 point. Down 1, over 2, put a dot, and then draw your line through it. Same thing for B. I'm going to plot this point, -1, -2, and then I'll use my slope to go up 2 and over 1. Remember that every whole number is just over 1. So I go up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, and put my points, and then draw the line through it. For number 11, number 8 were very, very similar. So all I'll do is solve for y, and then I'll state my slope and y-intercept. When I solve for y, I'm going to bring this 4x over here, so that becomes a -4x plus 12. Divide everything by 3. I get y equals -4 over 3x plus 4. My slope is -4 over 3, and my y-intercept is 4. You can either label those with m, or you can say my slope equals, or you could have put y-intercept equals 4, whatever you prefer. For B, I'm going to just bring this -2x over here. I'm sorry, +2x becomes a -2x over here. So I have -5y equals -2x minus 15. Divide everything by -5. So I have y equals -2 divided by -5 becomes a +2 over 5x. And then -15 divided by -5 gives you a +3. Okay, so don't get messed up on your signs right there. Again, you can put slope or you can put m, whatever you prefer. That's going to be equal to 2 over 5. And your y-intercept or your b is going to be equal to 3. Okay, I'm sure she'll accept either one. 12. Write the equation of a line in standard form. That's key. Okay. For A, you can do this one of two ways. You can use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, or you can solve for B and then plug it back in. I'll do both. If you're going to use point slope form, you have to use this formula. So we'll have y minus 5 equals 3 times x plus 4. It's going to be minus a -4, so that turns into a plus 4. Okay, so that's y minus 5 equals 3x plus 12. Add 5, you get y equals 3x plus 17. Now again, it says standard form, so we're going to have to change this to standard form. I'm going to work it the same way using y equals mx plus b, and then we'll change it to standard form. So if you want to use y equals mx plus b, you can plug in your 5 right here. You can plug in your 3 for your slope, -4 for your x, and then we're going to solve for b. So 5 equals -12 plus b. Add 12 over here, you get 17 equals b. Now you have a b and you have a slope, so you can put y equals 3x plus 17. You get the same answer both ways. It just depends on how you like to do it. Okay. I prefer this way because you don't have to plug anything back in, but you do have to know the formula. So now we'll take the answer and we'll put it in standard form. So I'll bring the x back over here, and I'll get -3x plus y equals 17. Remember, your x cannot be negative, so I'll need to just change all the signs or multiply by -1, however you want to think about it. So 3x minus y equals -17. And that's my final answer. For 12b, I will do that on the next video.